WEX FSM makes it easy to see, track, and manage jobs. To begin, let's define what a job is. A job is much like a digital file folder. You can create a job from the customer page by clicking Create a new job form in the Quick Actions bar. Jobs are also created when you make an appointment from the Schedule page. Job folders save in your customer's timeline, making it easy to find jobs. Click the red drop-down arrow to see all items inside the job. This comes in handy to quickly find job items without having to go into each job folder individually. You can search for jobs with the search bar here. Click on the job number in red to open the job folder. Everything relating to a job will be saved in the job folder. Your customer's information is at the top, along with a job tracker so you can track job progress. The job summary section shows the job status, job type, and job price, along with other helpful tools like notes, checklists, equipment history, attachments, review requests, user allocation, and profit and loss. The drop-down sections below have your appointments and service requests, proposals and financing, purchase orders, and invoices and payments. You can have multiple appointments for one job. Even when appointments are marked as complete, the job will stay open until the entire job is complete and you have taken payment. Proposals, comparisons, purchase orders, and invoices allow you to either create new job forms by clicking New, or copy from an existing document by clicking Copy. The copy feature can save you time from having to build a document from scratch. You can favorite a document by clicking the heart icon. This makes it easier to find when using the copy feature. You can easily access jobs from the Schedule page. Hover over an appointment, then click on the job number to quickly access the job for more information. To view your jobs on a larger scale, you can access your job list, hover over jobs in the main navigation, and select Job List. This list allows you to see all jobs in your system at a glance. Search by date range, job type, job status, and you can even show flagged jobs only to isolate jobs that require a follow-up. The Job Summary Report, which is found from the reporting page by clicking Job Summary, will give you visibility into key aspects of your jobs. You can see if appointments were created and completed, signed proposals, invoices, and check the status of checklists.